Hello students, welcome to Chemistry Gyan channel. Our today's topic is a part of your basic knowledge, that is chemistry in your roadster, or in simple words, chemistry in your car. So what are the parts of your car? It includes body, wheels, engine oil, coolant, windshield, seats, battery, fuel. क्या कभी सोचा है कि ये सब आखिर इनका composition क्या है? So today we'll discuss each and every part of your roadster one by one in detail and its composition. First of all, what is car? In scientific terms, a car is an energy converter or a machine that releases energy locked in a fuel like gasoline, petrol, or diesel, and it turns into mechanical energy. So the first basic part of your roadster is its body. What are the materials that are used for making a car body? The main material that is used for making car parts and its components is steel, aluminium, magnesium, copper, plastic, and carbon fibers. So what is the prime reason of using steel? That it is price efficient. First reason is that it is price efficient. And the second utmost reason is that its inherent capability to absorb impact energy in a crash situation. So the main part, the main body of your car is made up of steel. The second most important part of your car is wheels. So what are wheels made up of? First of all, you should know about the tires of your car. So from tractors to sports car, rubber is one of the only material that is used on wheels around the world. So why the tires are made up of rubber? Rubber tires make it easier to hold the grip and stay stable on the slippery street. Now, if we talk about aluminium alloys, alloy wheels, so they are made up of aluminium, in which molten aluminium is poured into a mold. So they are lightweight but strong in nature. So this is all about the wheels of your roadster. Now we'll move on to the next slide, that is engine oil. What is engine oil made up of? So the composition of your engine oil is 78% basic oil, viscosity oil to improve the flow, and 3% detergent is also added, which makes the engine clean. The next part of your roadster is coolant. Now, what is a coolant? A car coolant, that is also known as antifreeze, which protects the engine from overheating. It also lubricates a moving part it comes in contact with, which protects damage to the water pump, head gasket, the cylinder, and the piston timing. So what are the common coolants used of, or what is the main composition of a coolant? So it is basically made up of ethylene glycol and propylene glycol. And out of ethylene glycol and propylene glycol is less toxic in nature. So it is basically used in coolants. The next important part of your roadster is windshield. The back glass and the side glasses in your car are made from tempered glass, which is popularly known as safety glass, and it is known for its tensile strength. So what are the essential components that are used in windshield glass? Are silica, soda ash, dolomite, limestone. So these are the basic components that are used in windshield. Now we'll move on to the next slide, that is seats. Now what are seats made up of? So the various kinds of materials are used for making steels like seats like leather, polyester, nylon, vinyl, even mimic of leather, that is fox material, is also used in seats. So now it is up to the person which material he wants to choose it for his car or his roadster. So mostly car seats are made from inexpensive but durable material. So if we'll talk about middle class families, they will choose a material which is inexpensive but durable material, that is polyester. So polyester is basically used in seats. So next slide is battery. Now what are batteries made up of? Automotive batteries are mostly of lead acid battery. Total 6 galvanic cells, each of 2.1 volt, to provide 12.6 volts at full charge. Lead acid batteries are made up of plates of lead and lead oxide. Separate plates are there, which are submerged in a solution or an electrolyte. It 38% H2SO4 and 62% water. And the most common battery type in modern electric vehicles are lithium ion and lithium polymer because of its high energy density compared to their weight. So this is all about the battery of your roadster. The next slide is fuel. What is the basic fuel that is used in your roadster? So three types of fuels are generally used: petrol, diesel, and CNG. So there are various advantages of each and every fuel, and there are disadvantages also. So what are the advantages of petrol? Petrol, that is gasoline. The formula is C8H18, in which 92% isooctane and 8% heptane is present. It is quick starting, fast acceleration. These are the advantages of gasoline or petrol. And what about diesel? It is 75% saturated hydrocarbon and 25% aromatic hydrocarbons are present, in which less pollution is there as compared to gasoline or petrol, because CO2 is more released in case of petrol. So if I hope that this video is helpful to you. If you find it helpful and knowledgeable, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.